Is that your buddy, Porter? Is that your buddy? What is it? Is a puppy? See the puppy? Go touch the puppy. Should we give him a toy? It's 48. You got it. You're a math playing genius. Good job. Here, want to give him a toy? Good job, buddy. Oh, good job. Good boy. Come here. Yay, good boy.